Hi guys, so I no longer buy peanut butter. I make my own peanut butter, and in this video I'll be showing you how I make my peanut butter. So what I do first is get granite. If you can fry granite, no problem. But I don't know how to fry granite, so I just buy a bottle of granite. So you just get your granite and then you add the granite to a pan or a pot. You can actually use anyone. All you need to do is to, should I say, roast the granite a bit. So yeah, so that is what I'm doing now. I'm trying to roast the granite a bit. So when you're done roasting a bit, you can leave it on fire for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes max. Then you take it out and then you get your blender, the small part of the blender, that's small size. Then you add your granite to it. So the granite is actually mush and the blender is small, so I'm going to be adding it bit by bit till I can add everything instead of adding everything at once, and I won't be able to grind it. So I'll be adding this bit by bit. So you add your granules to the blender, the small part, and then you blend till you get the texture you want. So I'm actually going to be, like I said, adding it bit by bit, so I'll just be showing you the process so you see how it comes out. So you can blend everything to be very, very, very smooth. You can blend it to be half smooth. It depends on how you like your what's it called, peanut butter. So as we all know, peanut butter is actually expensive, especially now. So imagine knowing how to do this and doing it yourself. That means you can do as many as you want. You can have enough peanut butter at home. You can even give out to friends, family, and all of that. So yeah, this was the second batch I turned inside. Like I said, I couldn't turn everything once. If you can actually turn everything once, no wahala. But I couldn't turn everything once, so I had to start turning it in bit by bit. So you just have to keep blending till you get what you want. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to share this video so that other people that love peanut butter but are finding it difficult to get it because it is expensive will know how to do it themselves. As you can see, it's already looking smooth, though not too smooth because I don't really want it too smooth, but because of this video I'm going to be making it smooth. So just keep blending, and as you're blending you're checking, because if you're the type that doesn't want everything smooth, if you don't keep checking as you're blending, you just end up blending everything and making everything smooth or too smooth. So as you're blending, just keep checking so you get the particular texture you want. So let us know in the comment section what other thing you would want us to make. Let us know that in the comment section so we would see if it is something we can do. And yeah, if it is something we can do, we promise to actually get back to you. We actually promise to do it and post. So as you can see, this is actually very, very smooth, like smoother. So imagine just doing this and getting like 5 containers of it at home. I can even sell it. So now I'm adding honey. You can decide to add honey. It is actually very optional, but you can decide to add honey or whatever you want to add to the peanut butter, and you just blend so that everything blends and mixes together. So it is actually not a must. I just decided to add it because my siblings love honey, though I don't like it, but they love honey, so I won't be the only one using the peanut butter, so they can get that honey taste while they use the peanut butter with me. So I'll just leave you to watch the video till the end. And before I forget, this video was a request from Bukola Thomas. Sorry it took this long before it came out. Thanks for your patience, ma. And thanks for the video request. So yeah, as you can see, we are done, or should I say we are almost done, because I'm still going to blend this. So tell me why you won't make your own peanut butter yourself. How much did I get the granite for? I got the granite for, I guess, 800 or so. And I got this quantity of peanut butter. Imagine going outside to get peanut butter. This should be around 2000 for this size, if I'm not mistaken, or more. So, when is something I can just do at home myself? So, as you can see, it is smooth and at the same time not too smooth. So like I said, you just keep blending till you have the particular texture you want. So I'm going to blend it a bit again to make it a bit smoother. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.